Good morning, sunshine. Last night's storm was a doozy. So I uploaded one of the videos that I took that I thought might have some good lightning bolts in it and analyzed it into 24 segments where there were bright flashes and lightning bolts. This storm came in about 8:45 and lasted until about 10:15. While this storm was going on, I learned that Meteora, CGI or AI, generates David Attenborough documentaries. I was so excited to stumble upon a YouTube video that was a full documentary of David Attenborough discovering strange creatures in amber. Well, the first 3 minutes were pretty close. Then I realized that the wait time of his voice was all wrong. On top of that, David Attenborough himself never appeared in any of the visual clips. I kind of got pissed at myself for getting suckered in. I did some research and found out that, indeed, his voice has been cloned to create deepfake mini documentaries. So I posted my concern on Facebook, switched from YouTube to Netflix, and I watched Remarkably Bright Creatures with Sally Field.